Most affordable research microscopes focus on 2D images with the technology to capture in 3D, jumping in price, complexity, and requiring darkrooms. We have designed a new benchtop confocal microscope that removes complexity and offers a more affordable 3D imaging solution.
BC43 is not just a confocal imaging system, it is a benchtop microscopy system. Every component has been designed from the bottom up with cost and accessibility in mind.
It's bringing 3D fluorescent imaging to busy people. They're already doing complicated research, trying to push the limits of imaging, apply them to new things.
Customers were central to this. Without our customers and without us understanding what they wanted, we wouldn't have developed this product.
We've been integrating, building, designing confocal systems for 15 plus years. The really big challenge with BC43 was taking something which sits on a 6-foot optical table and packing it into something the size of a laser printer.
It's such a complex and powerful instrument, and yet remarkably easy to use.
You know, most people think, oh, an easy to use thing means that you're compromising performance. That isn't the case.
Users will not sacrifice resolution or 3D detail for speed. It will literally save hours for researchers in labs each week.
This is about getting high quality, three-dimensional fluorescent imaging without the burden.
We believe this to be the best product of its kind on the market, and we can't wait to see it being used extensively in facilities across the world.
If I was to sum this product up, I would say more scientists accessing and exploiting confocal microscopy to do more amazing science and generate even more stunning images.